Okay, welcome everyone out there in YouTube land. My name is Alethea and welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and then I want you to welcome everyone out there in YouTube land. My name is Alethea and okay, sorry. I needed to have that down. All right, so yes, as I was saying, like, subscribe, comment, share my videos, and feel free to drop in the comment section if there's any suggestion for a video that you'd like me to do. My channel is focused on basics, so don't come asking me about any crazy indicators and stuff like that. I'm doing trading basics. And with that said, today I'm going to be talking about different types of orders. I'm going to talk about 5 types of orders, right? So let me go ahead. Oh, we have a few people in the waiting room. Let me let them in here. All right. So yes, we're going to be doing 5 types of orders today. Welcome to the people just getting in. I see Peter. I see Ania just came. Althea, welcome everybody. All right, so I am going to make Ania a co-host. Ania, can you co-host for me? Just let people in as I'm going through the info. Or
Sure, that's fine.
awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, love. No problem.
And we missed you yesterday.
I know I had no voice.
No, I hear it. So let
I'm
me
just kind of getting in now, and it still hurts.
Yes. So
Next time though.
okay. All right. So I am going to get started. And today I am going to use the whiteboard. That's something that I haven't really been using, but I'm going to use that today. So let me go ahead. All right. You guys can see it, what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, and I see, David, your question is, what happens when I get to 4,000 hours? So it's a combination of things. I need 4,000 watch hours along with 1,000 subscribers. So I'm at 49 subscribers now. So, I'm getting closer. So once I have that combo, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, then my channel will be able to be monetized so that I can make money on YouTube. And why not? Multiple streams of income is where it's at. So I want to see if I can have that going for myself as well. All right. So like I said, we're going to be going over types of I'm actually
Gotcha.
live
You gonna record it?
I'm live streaming it on YouTube.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. Thanks. Types of orders. Yeah, I'm killing 2 birds with 1 stone doing this, providing value for the team and providing content for my YouTube channel, All right, so.
Perfect.
Yes, David. So we got to promote. Like, yes, get people on here. Help me out. What is this? Can you guys still see my whiteboard?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. So the first one is market execution, right? And everybody knows what that is, I think. Does everybody know what market execution is? Market execution.
Buy market at market price.
Right, whether it's buy or sell.
Sell.
Exactly, Lena. So market execution means that you're just going to take the trade right at that moment, whatever the price is. You're not waiting. It's not a pending order. You're just going to get right in, right? And I will just put that here. All right. Enter trade immediately. Yeah. Enter the trade immediately. So that's market execution. And the apps that we have access to, whether it be Shift or Titan or Relic, most of the time it's market execution. So you get a notification sent to your phone with a trade idea. You look, you're going to see market execution for the most part. You know, you're going to enter that buy if it's a buy. You're going to enter sell if it's a sell. And buy is the same as going long. Sell is the same as going short. So you want to know those different terms so that if you hear go long, you're not confused. You know that they're talking about price going up. If you hear go short, don't be confused. It means that price is going down, right? So that's the first one, market execution. Next, we have two other types of orders. One, let's see if I can just undo like that. Yep. Next, we have two different types of orders. We have stop order, and that is broken into two categories. Who knows what the two different types of stop orders are? Any volunteers?
Buy stop and sell stop.
Yes. So we have a buy stop and we have the sell stop. Perfect, Miss Haley. Now, the buy stop is when price is just going to keep going up and you want to enter that trade at a price above where price is currently, but it's a pending order. So let me see if I can draw this. Test my skills. All right. So say, this is really bad, but you get the picture. All right. Okay. So with that, say price is going up, right? But it hasn't gotten to a certain level. You're down here right now. And you're thinking maybe you want to buy, but you don't want to buy unless price hits this area. Because it could go like this, go like this, go like this. It could go back down, right? It doesn't have to come up here. So a buy stop, you could set here. So a buy stop is a pending order while price is somewhere down here. So you will enter that trade if price comes up here. If it hits this area, let's see if I can get an arrow. Perfect. Right. So if it hits this area, you can do a buy stop right there. Okay, there's nothing I can do about that. Maybe when you catch the replay, maybe you're looking at it on your phone. Maybe that's what it is. But definitely you can go back and catch the replay on my YouTube channel and it should be much clearer. Everybody can see my whiteboard clearly?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. All right. So the buy stop would be here. So let's just label it. Buy stop. Okay. So that's the buy stop. You are here. You will enter if price continues up and crosses here. That's the buy stop. Now, on the flip side, we have the sell stop. And I will draw that out as well. So, okay. I'm not the artist in the family, my daughter is. So with that, the sell stop is gonna be down here. Oh, let's undo that. I don't even know where I got that thing from. Let's see. Oh, I got it here, I think. Can I move it? No, I can't move it. All right, so the sell stop is going to be there. Let me undo that. Perfect. So the sell stop is here. Sell stop. And right now we are here. So price is going like this, it goes like that. It could go like this and then continue going up. But we're saying that if price continues down and hits this point, then we think it's going to keep going down. So I'm setting a pending order for a sell down here so that if it does come here, then I want to be getting in the trade to continue going down. Does that make sense to everybody?
Yes.
Okay, so that is a buy stop and that is a sell stop. And that's all there is to it. So stop orders are pending orders where you are waiting to see if in the future price crosses a certain zone for you to get in to continue going along with the direction that price is going. If it's a up move, you know that it's going to be a buy. If it's a down move, you know it's going to be a sell, right? So that is for stop orders. But there is another type So we went over market execution, we went over stop orders, but now we have another type of order. Does anybody know what the other type of order is that I'm going to talk about? No? Okay.
Trailing,
Pardon me?
is it trailing stop order?
No, no.
Okay.
Limit orders.
Oh,
So
okay.
does anybody need to take a picture of this before I move on? Go ahead and take a picture. I'm going to erase this and I'm going to move on to the next. So that was 2. All right. So now the 3, we're going to be talking about limit orders. And just like stop orders, limit orders, there are 2 types. Who can tell me the 2 types of limit orders? Okay, there are buy limits and sell limits, right? Buy limit and sell limits. Let's see. You have a comment? Oh, David, yeah. Yes, exactly. Buy and sell limits. So I will again show you an example of each one. Show off my fantastic art skills. Again, let me grab this tool. All right. So, mm, 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 okay. Let's see. So now a sell limit, I'll start with the sell limit, is going to happen after it has already been at that at said price. Right? Now, let's go like that. So price is here. Say price is here. Price is here. And if it breaks through and retests and keeps going down, once price has passed here, where the floor becomes the ceiling, we could have set a pending order for when the retest happens. And that can really work well with a trending market, right? So, where's that arrow? Let's see if I can get it good this time. Okay. Let me delete that. One day I'll get good at it. Have no fear. Okay. I figured it out. Awesome. Always learning something. So right here, I could set the sell limit, right? So the sell limit means that it came down, it went through the price. So now I'm waiting to see if price comes back up here, I will then get in for the sell. Does everybody see that?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So limit.
Can you go back over that one for me, please?
Absolutely. So the sell limit is a pending order, just like the stop orders, but this one price has already come to that price. It passes that price, and now I'm going to get in at the pullback. So maybe I decide that, where the floor could become the ceiling, I'm waiting. So if price comes back here, I will then get in. So I would say the price was $2. Right now, price is at $1.50. I can set a pending order for $2 up here. So if price goes back to $2, if price rises again to $2, then I'd be entered into the trade based on that pending sell limit order that I placed. Is that clear?
I got you.
Okay.
You got it, Miss Haley? Okay. So that's the sell limit. The buy limit, I gotta show you my fancy drawing skills again. Mm, uh. I'm really good. Okay. So the buy limit is going to be, oh, I have the line in the wrong place. All right, hold on. It has to be down. It's got to be down here. In here. All right. Let's just add this line down here. Okay. The buy limit works the same, but in reverse. So it's again based on price revisiting where it's already been. So here's a spotlight. Price starts out down here, comes up, comes down. Gonna keep going. So the pullback here, that's where you'd get in for a buy limit. It's going here. It broke out of this ceiling. It becomes the floor here. So I'm gonna go in. So say price was $1.50 again. It goes up to, say this is $3. I want to get in on a discount. It comes down to like $2.50. I'll get in to keep going up. Make sense?
Okay.
Where did I get the arrow again? Was it this? Okay. I'd be getting in here. That's gonna be where I'm gonna get in for the buy. Once it goes up here, I need price to come back down. So it's the pullback. It's that pullback that I spoke about last week, the same pullback, but instead of me sitting around waiting on price to come back, I'm going to do a buy limit, and I can go and wash the dishes or go to the supermarket, do my errands, go to work, and when price comes to that area in the market, it's gonna automatically trigger without me having to physically do it myself. Because if I have to do it myself physically, what is that called again? What was the first type of order that I went over with you guys?
Stop.
Market execution.
Buy, stop,
Market
sell.
execution. Market execution. That is the answer I was looking for. Yes.
Okay.
Market execution.
Hmm.
So market execution, you have to do that yourself. You have to sit down. You have to wait on the thing to happen. But yes, David, perfect market execution. But with these pending orders, whether it be a buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, or sell limit, we don't have to sit around waiting. We can say, okay, if price comes here, I'm gonna get in. So I don't have time to sit all day waiting on it to come there. So I'm just going to set it and then I'll go about my business. And if it comes there, MetaTrader 4 is gonna enter me into that trade, right? So those are the different types of orders. So with that, I'm going to open it up for questions. No questions? So everybody understood that perfectly. Yeah?
So a buy stop is an order placed above the price and the price keeps going up.
Mm-hmm.
A buy limit will be executed only at the limit price or a lower price. And a sell stop is an order placed below price and the price keeps going down.
Mm-hmm.
A sell limit order will be executed only at the limit price or a higher one, right?
Right. Right. Because sometimes we have it here and it's moving so fast, it could trigger a little bit higher, which is great, or trigger a little bit lower, which is also great. But yes, that sums it up in a nutshell, Robert. Thank you. So everybody understands. Nobody wants me to go back over it. Everybody understands it perfectly. Okay. So I guess what I can do now is go into Trading View really quickly. And you guys know that GJ is my favorite. And we can just look at it and see what it may look like. Yes. Just looking on the actual chart, right? Remove this. Okay, perfect. So anybody who knows me, you know that I look at things on the 15-minute and the hour, and I take my entry on the 5-minute. And the line chart will, really give you a good look at what is happening. So I'll go on the 15. And I like to mark the floor and the ceiling. This is the ceiling here. It's going to be the floor here. When price comes down here, you see it touched here, it touched here, it broke through, it's gonna come back. Technical analysis has me thinking, okay, it's gonna hit here and it's gonna go back up because it broke through. The ceiling or resistance is now going to be the floor, or what's another name for the floor?
Support.
Support, exactly. So that's on the 15. I like to mark the ceiling or the floor, depending on what I'm looking for. On the hour, I'm seeing the same thing, right? I'm seeing the exact same thing. So I would come down on the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, I see that it already touched here and went up, right? So what I could do for a pending order, I could be like, okay, I gotta wait for it to come back. So I have a green line here. The price is 167.365. What kind of order could I set there? Would it be a limit order or a stop order that I would place?
Limit order.
And what kind of limit would it be?
Buy limit.
Exactly. I could do a buy limit at 167.365 right here, so that if price comes there, I can get in. So right here, I could do a buy limit of 167.365. Okay. And I would just need for price to come there.
And if you're not so sure, you could also put a sell limit just in case it broke through and continue going down instead of going back up. When it come back to that, when it revisit that area, in
Okay.
case you could also set an alarm in case it didn't come back down. It didn't go back up, it continue going down when it revisit there.
Okay, well, I'm looking and I'm seeing that it's an uptrend. And honestly, I haven't gone into the whole thing, but I would have checked the currency strength and all that to see which currency is stronger. Is it GBP or JPY? So GBP is stronger than JPY. So I would be looking for a buy. So I definitely would not set a sell limit. I would just have a buy limit. But everybody trades differently. I see that this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. So I would not necessarily be looking for a sell limit, or to sell. But the next thing is, I wouldn't even be trading GBP, JPY now. And the reason that I wouldn't be trading GJ is that I trade this at 4 in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. Because, and I guess I'm going to go into something that I didn't plan on discussing, but I can touch on it now. There are the different sessions, right? And with the different sessions, different pairs will be volatile. So the market just opened about 40, close to 45 minutes ago, and it's the Asian session. So yeah, JPY is in there, but really the Asian session, I don't look at that until around 9 o'clock at night. I don't think there's good enough movement, and you can see it here. It's not moving. What is this? Who can tell me what this is?
consolidation. The Asian session is always the accumulation or consolidations phase.
Right. So it's not moving. It hasn't made a move either to the upside or to the downside. So I'm somebody I'm a follow the leader type of person when it comes to the market. I'm waiting on you to finish doing this. Once you finish and then you decide you're going that way, I let you start your move and then I get in on the retest. So like this right here, I would have seen this move. I would have waited. And then when it came here, that's when I would have gotten in just for a buy to continue going up. Does that make sense, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. So this right here, this is just my waiting time. And again, patience is key when it comes to trading. Because there is the ranging area and there are people who trade that. So this is not me saying don't trade that. This is me saying I don't trade that. I am going to wait. I'm waiting to trade in a trending market. The trend is your friend, but there are people who will trade in consolidation. Look at that. You see what's happening there?
Could you say that consolidation and resistance are the same thing?
Resistance and consolidation are not the same thing. Consolidation means price is not going above resistance or going below support. It's just staying within, like this is doing. Another term would be ranging. It hasn't made a decision yet. It hasn't broken above, it hasn't broken below. And that's why Venna is saying, you could set a buy limit or a sell limit. Somebody could set a buy limit up here or a buy stop rather up here or a sell stop down here. A buy stop above here or a sell stop here. So the buy limit can be here, the sell limit can be here, the buy stop can be here, and the sell stop could be here. Do you see why I say that?
I think I see it now.
Okay, let me label that actually. So right here could be a sell limit. Okay. So while this could be the buy limit, this could be the sell limit. So if it comes here, I could get in. All right, hold on. How do I edit this? Can I edit this? Okay, yes, I can. So the sell limit could be at 167.585 right there. And then as I explained earlier, a buy stop means that price is going to continue above a certain area. So I could have a buy stop up here because then that means, oh, it's broken out of the consolidation and it's going up. So let me get in and take advantage of it going up there. So I could have a buy stop here. Buy stop. But then if price breaks down here, I could have the sell stop down here. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yes, no.
Yes, it does. Yeah, it does make sense. I got my speaker off.
Okay. If you
Keep it
want to
up.
type or if you can talk, either one is good. But yeah,
Have nice around me sometimes. So
yeah, I get it. But see, it's just playing around in here. So Asian session, as Vena just went over, the market, it's not, it hasn't made up its mind yet at 5:40, at 5 o'clock in the evening. So the markets just opened. It closed at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. It just opened less than an hour ago on Sunday. So it's stretching. So we gotta allow it to do what it's doing. But and that's for me personally, right? So I would be looking to get in, look and see, oh, is there something possible for me to get in around 8:30, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, somewhere there. That's what I'd be looking for, right? So if it's a buy limit, I need to see it, see a pullback to go in, hypothetically speaking. Not in theory. In theory, I'm looking for it to pull back to buy. And I explained to you that I look at currency strength. GBP is stronger than JPY. So I would be just looking for buys. I would be looking for a buy limit or maybe a buy stop. I would not be looking for any sell limit or sell stop because GBP is stronger than JPY right now. But I think that's what I wanted to share today. I hope that helps some of you. I hope it was a good refresher for those of you who already were familiar, right? So we have the 4 examples here. I don't have a market execution because market execution means that right now price is at 167.515. I would just be hitting buy right there and I'd be in the trade. And that's mainly what you see in the Shift app. You see market execution. So anytime you get a notification on Shift on your phone, you're just gonna go copy and paste right away. You get in the trade. Then after you can then put in your stop loss. Never be in a trade without a stop loss, guys. And you can choose which one of the take profits you want. But yeah, that is going to be it. Thank you, everybody, for coming and helping me out. And I love the participation. Vena, thank you for adding the value as well.
You're welcome, my dear, anytime.
Yes, I know I was supposed to call you to collaborate, but because your princess wasn't well, I just didn't bother. Because so maybe next week we can do candlesticks. So next week I'm gonna do the anatomy of a candle, right? And
Okay.
come back, guys, and also bring people with you. And again, like, subscribe, comment, share, and yeah, just hit play on my videos. Have it in the background so that I can get to my 4,000 watch hours. Right? Let me go over to YouTube really quick and okay. So, guys out there in YouTube, thank you so much for watching my video. I've said it a few times already. I'll say it again. Like, subscribe, comment, share my video. I really want to get to 1,000 subscribers. I want to get there next week. Okay. But if I don't get there by next week, it's okay. I just hope that I'm providing great value and that it is something that you will want to share. And with that, feel free to drop in the comments any recommendations, right? I'm always open to suggestions. I'm always open to doing things to grow my channel. But thank you so much. Have a good evening. See you next time, same place, right? Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye now.
That was for YouTube. That wasn't for you guys.